What's up, Amazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Boxyluxe unboxing for the month of March. And I just unboxed my BoxyCharm Premium and I was disappointed in it. So I'm glad that I canceled it again. So, but yeah, let's get right into Boxyluxe. And in a rectangular long box. Okay. I really hope this is a good box because I need some happiness after that premium box. Alright. So, okay. Well, I am glad I got that. So, the first product is the Natasha Denona Cupid 5 eyeshadow palette. So, you know what though? One of the Natasha Denona palettes that I got in BoxyCharm, two of the colors were in the pastel palette. I was very upset about that. But here is the Cupid eyeshadow, 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics. And this retails for $48. This is very nice. Here is the metallics. Ooh. Okay. Next is, this iconic London multi-use sculpting palette, featuring 3 shades to highlight, conceal, and brighten, and 3 shades to contour, define, and bronze. This multi-use dewy cream palette contains everything you need and more to enhance your natural bone structure and create a flattering sculpted look. So this retails for $49. You know, I was just going to be like, until I realized it was cream. Oh, you know what? I think this was one of my choice items because I have been really into cream products, cream bronzers, cream blushes, and ooh, yeah, I'm really excited. I've always wanted a little palette like this with cream, like foundation, concealer shades, and bronzers. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. Next with another choice item. So, this is the Dry Bar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Dry Bar has really good hair products. So, meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Heat-activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance, leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes. I like that it has heat protectant in it. And this retails for $34. Yay! Alright, next, I did watch one Boxyluxe unboxing and they got this and I wasn't super excited about it. But this is the Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Box. And it retails for $25. And it does say that Lawless Beauty is new to BoxyCharm. So, that actually looks really pretty though. And the shade is Rosy Outlook. It's a pretty cool applicator though. You know what? I might keep this, actually. Alright, next is, this is the Ren Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. And combines, it's supposed to reduce dark circles after 7 days. Does it have retinol in it? I don't see any retinol, and I have so many eye creams, so I'll probably keep this for a giveaway. But it retails for $49, and it's pretty, I mean, if it really does brighten dark circles in 7 days, that would be awesome. Next, oh man, I hate sheet masks. This is, it's not that I hate them, I just never use them. Give Them La La Skin Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. So this will be going in a giveaway. Next is, I was really hoping I would get this. This is the Frank Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. Feeling flat? Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin. Packed with caffeine to firm your favorite acai to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and longan seed extract to sculpt your booty. Also comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for coffee on the run. I actually do use a booty enhancing cream, so I love that this is claiming to do the same thing. Okay, and it retails for $19.95. That's not bad at all. If I like that, I'll definitely repurchase it. And the last product, you know, typically this isn't something I would be super excited about, but I've been needing a really good, like, new brush. So this is the Area Beauty Luxe Oval Detangling Brush. Okay, that is very nice, actually. It feels a little cheap, to be honest. It's very lightweight, but we'll have to see how it works. This professional oval brush features extended bristles for easy detangling and reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying and styling. Okay, so this retails for $34.95, and this is also a brand that is new to Boxyluxe. So because I am filming on my phone, I can't add up the total retail price while I'm filming, but I will put it up in the screen. And all right, so overall I'm very happy with this Boxyluxe. So excited about this. So excited about this eyeshadow palette, this sculpting palette. The only things that I'm like about are the eye cream, the sheet masks, and I don't know, I'm still on the fence about this. But I mean, just a couple of these products are, you know, worth the price I paid for the entire box. So I am happy about that. And my sequin keeps getting caught on each other. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you get Boxyluxe, and if you don't, yeah, I don't know. What do you think about it? Do you really think it's worth it? Sometimes I feel like it's worth it. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I feel like a nut. Sometimes I don't. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.